Good morning from sunny Lanzarote. It's Saturday the 16th of November.
Yeah, and as you can probably tell by the light coming in that side, it's pretty bright out there.
It's about 24 degrees, so it does get warm down here. And today we're booked on the Mountain of Fire shore excursion.
Should be good. We were going to go on the barbecue one, but then that had like a cancellation and stuff in there, so. But hey ho, so we've got that one booked, and we're going to be popping down before 10 to get off the ship and basically get on the coach. So.
The trip involves you visit the most famous landmark, which is the Fire National Park, aka Fire Mountain. So we call in at a local bodega to try the wine made there at the local vineyards, and then we also stop off at an aloe vera farm to see how the healing plant is harvested. So I've got a couple of aloe vera plants at home, so it'll help me learn a bit more about them.
Yeah.
So we'll see you later.
Coming up about this deep, we have a temperature around 80 degrees centigrades. He's going to take a hole in that ash, and he's going to bring to everybody a little bit of that ash. It's not that hot you're going to burn your hands, but it's already 80 degrees centigrades. Just imagine that you're taking a bath and the water has 80 degrees centigrades. Water is already boiling with 100 degrees centigrades, so it's hot. Okay, man. So completely down. We are between 250 and 300 degrees centigrades. This man is going to put these bushes into that hole. In about 10, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, it starts to burn only with the heat of the stones. Not even down. Well, they say where the smoke is fire. Fire, we have it already. Now we're going to have the flames coming up. That's the third demonstration. So we're still in a big place. Like, should we be staying this close?
Oh, it is, yeah.
Some people from my group, you come up this way, please.
Excuse me. No lo sabía, Steven, disculpa. 2 segundos.
Careful!